rolls it to Mitoma, and Mitoma rolls it. Sado, great ball. Mitoma, he could be in here. Mitoma, lovely swivel. Mitoma scores, of course he does. He made it look so easy. One touch to get it right out of his feet.
Stupid, stayed a bit centrally as he sprints it out now to Mitoma. Another chance to have a go and fire it into the top right. About that finish, dispatched into the top right corner, getting anywhere near it. Loops it up towards the far post. Mitoma, can he hit it? He can! It's at the net, and the Seagulls will be in the hat. See it on Monday, thanks to Kaoru Mitoma. You simply cannot stop Mitoma.
It's a tight one for offside. VAR will check it, but he looks on. They've checked it, it will stand. Mitoma has his goal. Albion have their third. On the stretch, it falls for Mitoma, and Mitoma is cracked. Still looks long, and it could. Oh, it's going to reach Mitoma all the way through. Mitoma! What a finish that is! A fantastic finish from the Albion winger, all the way from Steele through. Well played, March. Lallana. Lallana looks up. Great football from Lallana, lifting it across. Mitoma's there! 2-2! The dancing feet, the twinkle toes, the lofted cross, and Mitoma rose highest and powered it past Jose Sarr.
Mitoma had that chance moments ago. Ross went expectantly. Sends it back out to Sarmiento. Cross has to go in the penalty area towards Mitoma. Look!